Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it's a set that you can just plug in into your device, so it connects wirelessly onto your screen or anything that you need like that, like a projector screen or anything like that, which I think that it's really great. We get the instruction manual with all important information about it, all the indication lights and how they work, which I think that it's nice. Okay, they are quite small. As you can see, we got the transmitter in here, the receiver in here. They connect and plug into the HDMI port of your devices, albeit the screen or the device that will use like a computer, your gaming console, stuff like that. If you need it, you get different kinds of adapters in case that you need it to plug them into the different HD ports that you can get upon a device, which I think that it's nice. Okay, even a extender, and to use them, we need to place the power cord, which will be this one, which connects upon the receiver and transmitter with a USB Type C port and onto our device with a USB A port. Okay, so that way they get power, which I think that it's nice. So let's go ahead and start testing it out. I'm gonna connect right now the transmitter into my computer and use the cable, as I've said, to also plug it in. Okay, okay, and use with Type C, and I'm gonna do the same, but now with the receiver upon my screen at the back. Okay, it's turning on, and let's just wait till it connected. Okay, as you can see, it's trying to link, and that's it. Actually, really easy. Didn't need any kind of pairing. They already compared, which I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, you can use your screen in mirroring mode right now. You can also change it so you can extend your screen, which I think that it's really nice because that you want to be working and doing a presentation and having the presentation on one screen and anything else on the other screen. I think that it's nice, and as you can see, it's really nice. It has a really nice quality. It's just like if I had just plugged it in with the regular HDMI, but being able to move around, and in case in my outdoors, don't have to be at the side of the projector or the screen or situation like that. Even in some work presentations, school projects, I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's great that it comes with different attachments for the different kinds of ports that you get an extender in case that you need it, and that they come with anything that you need to use them. So I think that it's nice. They are also quite small. I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, so you can see it's quite small, and you can take him with you anywhere that you need, which I think that it's great. Overall, I think they are really nice, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.